Guys, and this is a new video about the TikTok app, and we will show you how to add sound effects on TikTok. Let's open our application. Right now we need to click on the plus icon to create a new TikTok. I will click on this shooter button to create some video as an example. Well done, let's tap on the check mark here. I will disable the sound right now, and let's click on the edit mode, which is the first one on the right bar of the screen. I will mute my sound because I want to demonstrate to you how these sound effects work. Remember that these effects are independent, so you can add them where you want and also when you want. Let's tap on the sound effect option, and right now I will enable my phone sound because I want to demonstrate to you each of the sounds are able. For example, the machine operation sound. And let's go to another section like human voices. Let's activate this human sound effects. Let's go, for example, to this transition and on this one. Okay guys, so I want to activate, for example, this sound for my video. Let's tap on the use, and also don't forget that you can save the effects you like the most after clicking on this icon opposite it. Sorry, I need to do it. Yes. In this way, this sound was added to the favorites, and after, when you will create a new TikTok and you want to use your favorite sound you like the most, you just need to click on this favorite option, which is the first on the line, and you will find the sound you have saved before. Let's click on it and tap on the use to add it to our TikTok. Remember that unfortunately you cannot make the duration of the sound longer, you can only cut it. So guys, I will cut it to this size, and after hold this sound on, I can relocate it and choose another time of the start and end. Well done guys, amazing. And don't forget that you can also add another sound effect, and you can locate it to another, for example, duration, another time. You can also copy the selected sound and, for example, add it to the very end and to the end. Add it to the start and to the very end. So guys, let's check the result after clicking on this play icon. Amazing. I hope that these sound effects will be useful for you and you will create a cool, interesting TikToks with them. Don't forget to like our tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find even more cool tricks and secrets about the TikTok and other programs. Goodbye guys, good luck!